Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to UCE Biology Section A 2000, Paper 1. The following are characteristics of blood vessels. 1. Presence of valves. 2. Thick walls. 3. Wide lumen. 4. Elastic walls. Which of the characteristics belongs to veins? A. 1 and 2. B. 1 and 3. C. 2 and 3. D. 3 and 4. The answer is B. 1 and 3. Muca undergoes reproduction to produce A. Spores. B. Zoospores. C. Zygospores. D. Spolongia. The answer is A. Spores. The fins which keep a fish stable in water are the A. Anal and dorsal fins. B. Dorsal and pelvic fins. C. Caudal and pelvic fins. D. Pelvic and pectoral fins. The answer is D. Pelvic and pectoral fins. Which one of the following is correct about dividing cells at the tip of the plant shoots? A. Have large vacuoles. B. Are specialized. C. Have short, soft cell walls. D. Have rigid cell walls. The answer is C. Have soft cell walls. Which one of the following would contain the highest concentration of proteins? A. Blood plasma. B. Glomerular filtrates. C. Urine. D. Serum. The answer is A. Blood plasma. Which one of the following would be observed in a plant growing in a soil lacking magnesium? A. Poorly developed shoot system. B. Yellowing of leaves. C. Poorly developed root system. D. Yellowing of buds. The answer is B. Yellowing of bar leaves. What mode of nutrition is used by rhizopus? A. Heterotropism. B. Autotropism. C. Parasitism. D. Saprophytism. The answer is D. Saprophytism. Which one of the following would be the first to colonize a rocky surface? A. Lichens. B. Mosses. C. Shrubs. D. Ferns. The answer is A. Lichens. The blood constituents that help in the formation of blood clot at the site of an injury are A. Platelets and erythrocytes. B. Hormones and plasma. C. Platelets and leukocytes. D. platelets and fibrinogen? The answer is D, platelets and fibrinogen. Figure 1 shows a gill of a fish. The name and function of part labeled A is A. Gill filaments for gaseous exchange. B. Gill rakers for filtering food. C. Gill bar for support. D. Gill arc for increasing surface area. The answer is A. Gill filaments for gaseous exchange. Which one of the following would not be found in the glomerular filtrate? A. Fibrinogen. B. Glucose. C. Mineral salts. D. Urea. The answer is A. Fibrinogen. Which one of the following is an example of discontinuous variation? A. Height. B. Weight. C. Eye color in Drosophila. D. Skin color. The answer is C. Eye color in Drosophila. Which one of the following says consists of substances that are stored in the liver? A. Glucose, iron, and vitamin D. B. Iron, glycogen, and vitamin D. C. Glucose, glycogen, and vitamin D. D. Iron, glycogen, and amino acids. Answer is B. Iron, glycogen, and vitamin D. Albinism is caused by having a double recessive gene for skin pigmentation. What is the probability of the children having normal skin color if an albino woman marries a man who is heterozygous for albinism? A. 100%. B. 75%. C. 50%. D. 25%. The answer is C. 50%. The data below shows the amount of carbon dioxide inhaled air, rate of breathing at rest, and volume of air in a breath in humans. Percentage of carbon dioxide in inhaled air is equivalent to 0.025%. Number of breaths per minute equals to 36. Volume of one breath taken in at rest equals to 500 cubic centimeters. The volume of carbon dioxide inhaled per minute while at rest is A. 0.9 cubic centimeters. B. 45 cubic centimeters. C. 12.5 cubic centimeters. D. 450 cubic centimeters. The answer is B. 45 cubic centimeters. How is lactic acid produced in muscles got rid of? By A. converting it into water. B. Storing it in the liver. C. Converting it into ethanol. D. Oxidation. The answer is D. Oxidation. Blood flows in the pulmonary artery at a lower pressure than in aorta because in the pulmonary circulation, A. Blood travels a shorter distance. B. The right ventricle has thinner walls. C. The vessel carrying blood is smaller. D. Fewer organs are supplied. The answer is B. The right ventricle has thinner walls. Which one of the following is an example of a reflex action? A. Eating. B. Screaming after kicking a stone. C. Riding. D. Salivating on smelling food. The answer is B. Screaming after kicking a stone. What happens to insect wings when deep pressure muscles are relaxed? The wings, A. Move downwards. B. Move upwards. C. Rotate freely. D. Move in 3 directions. The answer is B. Move upwards. Which one of the parasites is transmitted by Anopheles mosquito? A. Filario worm. B. Trypanosome. C. Plasmodium. D. Schistosoma. The answer is C. Plasmodium. The following are body secretions. 1. Amylase. 2. Trypsin. 3. Hydrochloric acid. 4. Pepsin. 5. Renin. Which of them are contained in gastric juice? A. 1 and 3. B. 2 and 4. C. 3 and 5. D. 1 and 2. The answer is C. 3 and 5. What is the main function of the phloem in green plants? A. Transporting water. B. Supporting the plant. C. Transporting mineral salts. D. Transporting manufactured food. The answer is D. Transporting manufactured food. Which of the following is an example of a modified root? A. Eilish potato tuber. B. Cassava tuber. C. Rhizome. D. Corn. The answer is B. Cassava tuber. Which of the following events occur during inhalation in a mammal? A. Diaphragm contracts, ribs raised. B. Diaphragm relaxes, ribs lowered. C. Internal intercostal muscles contract, pressure in chest cavity increases. D. Internal intercostal muscles relax, pressure in chest cavity increases. The answer is A. Diaphragm contracts, ribs raised. What is the main function of the choroid layer in the human eye? A. Focusing rays of light on the retina. B. Supplying nutrients to the eye. C. Bringing about accommodation. D. Controlling amount of light entering the eye. The answer is B. Supplying nutrients to the eye. Which one of the following pairs of hormones is produced by reproductive organs in mammals? A. Follicle-stimulating hormone and testosterone. B. Estrogen and luteinizing hormone. C. Progesterone and testosterone. D. Insulin and estrogen. The answer is C. Progesterone and testosterone. When a homozygous black mouse was mated with a homozygous white mouse, the offsprings were all brown. What would be the color of the mice produced if F1 offspring is crossed with a homozygous white parent? A. 3 brown, 1 white. B. 1 brown, 3 white. C. 1 brown, 1 white. D. All white. The answer is C. 1 brown, 1 white. The scheme below shows a food chain with corresponding concentration of organic chloride in milligrams. Green plants 0.01, herbivorous bugs 0.9, predatory bugs 2.3, lizards 2.8. Why does the tissue of the lizard contain the highest concentration in the organic chloride? Because the A. Lizard eats all the organism in the food chain. B. Organic chloride remains persistent in the food chain. C. Organic chloride is cumulative in the tissue of the organism. D. Organic chloride is not toxic to lizards. The answer is C. Organic chloride is cumulative in the tissue of the organism. Which one of the following structures is found in the cervical vertebrae only? A. Centrum. B. Neurospine. C. Transverse process. D. Vertebratelio canal. The answer is D. Vertebratelio canal. The forces which mostly help water to move up a tall plant are A. Osmosis and diffusion. B. Capillarity and transpiration. C. Osmosis only. D. Capillary and osmosis. The answer is B. Capillarity and transpiration. Hello friends, thank you very much for attending to UCE Biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.